I just can't sleep. It's the middle of the night. So I'm gonna go play. It's 12 o'clock in the middle of the night. But it's not. It says 2 o'clock. I don't know how to check time, but I will play. Let's see if Patrick is sleeping. Yes, she is sleeping. Let's see if Nature's sleeping. She is sleeping. Let's see if Candy's sleeping. She is sleeping. Let's see if Peanut's sleeping. Yes, Peanut's sleeping. And let's see if Joey's sleeping. Yes, Joey's sleeping. So let's go downstairs. And what if Nonni's sleeping? Yes, she is sleeping. So I don't want to wake up anybody. So let's go play downstairs. So, dolls. So I'm gonna play with the dolls. Ooh, what is that? It's the slime. This is a caps in crystal slime. Ooh, it's ooey gooey when I play with it. I have an idea. I'm gonna put it beside Patrick. So she can step on it. Okay. Now let's do a slime in the meat. Blue slime will wait for you in the morning. Fix is very smart, so he gets the letter J. Ugh. See you in 1 minute. Hey, look, guys! This looks like a slime waterfall. Oh, it's so good. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Jiggly, 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 slime. Jiggly, 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 wee. So fun. So I have some ice crystal slime. So I'm going to put it beside Peanut. Now, Joe's. But her name is Joey. I made some pea tea, salty tea, and oily tea. And I want to see everybody's reaction. I'm going to wait till morning. It's morning! I'll just pretend to sleep. Wake up. What is this? Help! What is this? It's so gross! Help! What is it, Patrick? It's so disgusting! It's slime! I'm coming! Whoa! There's slime in This is the worst thing. Help! Shoo, 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 shoo. You naughty slime. Get out of here. Yuck! Yes, it's true. Slime in my thing. Yuck. Yes, mine too.
Amira is sleeping.
I'm gonna do this now. I have to clean you. Stupid slime.
You can have one. So you can have close-ups. Are they more?
Silly slime. Okay. Whoa! I'm gonna slip! Ah! We don't like you. We didn't do it. Maybe it is no